Hello and welcome back to POSAdvisors tutorial series for EncorePOS. My name is Billy, and today we'll be looking at the Archive Items utility. This utility can be used to remove inactive items from your inventory database, making lookups faster and cleaning up reports. Items are archived rather than deleted, and therefore can be restored if necessary. We recommend making a current backup of the LPOS data folder located on your server before you get started, and to also keep in mind that the best time to do this is when the store is closed and no one is using the point of sale system. Starting from the EncorePOS login screen, log on to the EncorePOS dashboard, click the Utilities tab, scroll over Inventory, and click on the Archive Items utility. In the Product Selection window, choose the group of items you would like to archive by brand, description, vendor, department, type, or size. The drop-down arrow next to Department allows you to toggle between department and type. In the Item Inactivity window, by leaving this box checked, you can select a standard time period from a week, a month, 90 days, 6 months, or a year. You can also indicate a custom date of your choosing by checking this box and using the Calendar tool. Also in this window, indicate whether or not you want to include items which have a quantity on hand by checking or unchecking this box here. Including these items will produce a useful report of items with no activity, even if you might want to simply export or print the report and then cancel the utility rather than allowing it to run. Once you've set the criteria in these windows to your liking, click Submit to run the utility. You can scroll through this list and remove any items you don't want to archive by checking the box in the front of the item, then clicking on the Do Not Archive button. Confirm this choice by clicking Yes, Proceed. Multiple items can be selected at a time for this. At this point, you can choose to export this list by clicking on this button to copy it to your clipboard, here for an Excel file, here for a PDF, or here to send it directly to a printer. This is the point at which you would click Cancel if you are using the utility for informational purposes only without archiving any items. Once the list accurately reflects the items you'd like to archive, click on the Archive button. The system will ask you to confirm the changes. Click Yes, Proceed. Click All Done to return to the Utilities tab. That's it for this video today. Be sure to subscribe to keep up with the latest and greatest from POSadvisors. We'll have our website link and our support number all in the description under this video, so don't hesitate to call us if you need us. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.